Good morning, students. Today we are studying geography. So today we are studying about what geography. The lesson is resources. Okay. So resources. So all of you know that. Okay. You watching what TV, है ना? So one of the advertisement like Mintos, है ना? Minto की गोली खा दिमाग की बत्ती जला, है ना? So in that you seen two donkeys are there and one people. So people will get what very much knowledge and wisdoms, okay? And gradually he developing his thinking and gradually ruling on the donkey, okay? And another one advertisement recent one is atom bomb fan, okay? है ना? There are two children and one caves, one man is shivering and है ना जैसे बैठा होता है ना? So what टिक टिक ऐसे करता है उसको है ना? So there is what invention. So resources. So resources means what resources? The many more things are available our nature, okay? Many more things are avails to nature, but how they are used and which kinds of technology is used for that, okay? So many more things available to us like land, air, water, minerals, rocks and many more things, but that are useless until the peoples know how they are used and what are their utility and what are their benefits, okay? So gradually peoples will evolve the knowledge and using that naturally found resources, and from that resource the people made and used that resource for their sustenance and for their needs. So resource means that the things that can be transformed, है? So resources that can be transformed from more valuable and useful things, okay? Means resource means that the things are transformed to more useful and valuable things. Suppose water is flowing from river, canals and rainwater and so on, but people transform for their drink, okay? Water is used for drink. Next, clay is used for making pots, and air. So these are what resources. Then rocks which are used for building, for building. नहीं कोई भी बिल्डिंग बनानी है तो उसके लिए क्या यूज करेंगे? रॉक का यूज. So these are resources. So resources means that the things that can be transformed to more useful and valuable things, and they satisfied our need, okay? So resource होने के लिए क्या चीजें मस्ट है कि वो यूजफुल होनी चाहिए और वैल्यूएबल होनी चाहिए, okay? So these substance are these things which known as resource. So this resource satisfied our needs. So this is about what? Resources. So next, resources. This is about resources. Next is types of resources. So types of resources, these are classified under three headings. One is natural. One is natural resource. Second one is human resource. Human resources. And third one is human made resource. So we are taking one by one. First of all, taking natural resources. Okay. So natural resources means such as land, water, animals, plants, soil, minerals. Okay. These are natural resources. Okay. Means nobody will be farming. Okay. These resources are getting naturally. Okay. So natural resources means that such as land, water, rocks, minerals, fossil fuels, vegetations and so on. Okay, so these are what? Natural resources. So, and these are obtaining from the nature. Okay, यानी किसी घर से मिलते क्या नहीं है ना? These are founding nature. Okay. ये कहाँ से मिलते हैं अपने को? नेचर. We getting these resources from the nature. So such as natural resources means that such as land, rocks, water, fossil fuels, okay, and vegetation, forest. So these are founding naturally. Okay, and these are found from nature. So that's why these known as natural resources. Okay. And again, natural resources are again classified on the different bases. Okay. So natural resources are on the origin. Okay. Natural resources are classified on the origin, renewability, development and distribution. Okay, so natural resources are classified on the origin, renewability, development and distribution. So in the origin, first of all taking about origin. Okay, कि origin के basis पे नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज को किस तरीके से क्लासिफाई किया जाता है या फिर ऑन द ओरिजिन है ना. सो ऑन द ओरिजिन देयर आर टू काइंड्स ऑफ नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज. वन इज बायोटिक एंड अनदर वन इज अबायोटिक. बायोटिक एंड अबायोटिक. सो बायो मीन्स दैट इज द लिविंग फॉर्म. ओके, आर लिविंग फॉर्म or life. Okay, and abiotic means that non-living. So we are studying about what? Natural resources. So first of all on the basis of their origin है ना, यानी वो जो resources है उनका origin कहाँ से है, वो start कहाँ से होते हैं या फिर उनका origination क्या है. So on the basis of their origin these are biotic and abiotic. So biotic means related with the living form or life. Okay, so biotic resources are obtained from the living things. Okay, such as अब biotic resources कहाँ से मिलते हैं कि जो living things जो होते हैं है ना. So biotic resources are from the living things. Living things. Okay, so biotic resources are from living. So we are continuing from origin. Okay, so resources. So natural resources on the basis of origin there are biotic and abiotic. So we seen about biotic. Now we are taking about Abiotic resources. Abiotic resources means the resources such as air, land and water which are coming from this, okay, means its origin is from the nature but not a living thing, okay. यानी एयर में कोई जान होती है नहीं होती, कोई लिविंग नहीं होता, ओके. लैंड इट इज नॉट लिविंग है, वाटर इट इज आल्सो नॉट नॉन लिविंग, ओके. So these are the non-living resources. So abiotic resources are which are non-living in origin, such as air, land, and water. So from that rocks and minerals, okay, rocks and minerals. So these are the abiotic resources. So from that rocks and minerals, suppose winds, okay, wind energy. Wind is again what? Renewable. So this resource is renewed from the sun time, okay. But mineral is a non-renewable resource, okay. So we see about the on the basis of origin natural resources, okay. So next one is next one is on the basis of renewability, okay. On the basis of renewability, okay, and renew.